Even if you have green card status in America, presently, due to these deportation waves or issue that is going on in America now, you are not safe. Not all green card. There are people that have temporary green card, like 2 years green card probability, and you have committed something before. Police have controlled you for little things or one thing or the other. You have not assumed the 10 years resident permit in America, popularly called the green card. You need to be very careful now, because if the ICE people control you, the probability of holding you down is there. They may take the card away from you. That is if you have committed an offense before. But if you have never committed an offense before, it's another thing altogether. I will give you details of how this thing works. A green card holder is a green card holder. He or she is not an American citizen. So whenever they control you, ask you, maybe you are not with your green card at the moment they control you. Make them to know your status in America if you have green card or if you have American passport. Citizen is different from green card, because many people have fallen that victim, claiming that they're American citizen, what they have is green card. Because of that, they fall into problem with them that begin to warrant calling lawyers. Lawyers have to intervene to wage war between those two things. Now, as it is, based on the state that you're living, the different laws concerning these deportation things, control things, is there. And again, if you have two passports living in America, you have an American passport and you have your country passport, and you wanted to go to your country, the best thing for you to do now in this period is for you to use your American passport to go to your embassy to go and get visa. Put visa in the American passport to use it to travel to your country. When you reach your country, you can bring out your passport as your nation to stamp yourself into your country. When you are coming back, use the American passport to stamp out to come back to your country. Because many cases have happened in airports. People who travel come back without visa. They have problem. They detain them at the airport. So these are the things that you need to know. And if you have your green card, that 2 years green card, advise you not to leave America now. Don't travel out with it. Remain until you complete, or maybe you are still having case in the court, or maybe you wanted to put for extension of it. I will advise you to remain in US, because the massive deportation that is going on now, even those who have lived in America for 20 years are also being deported because of one thing or the other. That is why we're encouraging everybody to be law-abiding citizen. In any country that you're living, be law-abiding citizen. Don't commit anything that will, jeopardize your chances of being given citizenship in that country or being live peaceful in that country. Anything that will warrant this kind of a thing. Because, as we said before, it is America today. You don't know the country that it will be tomorrow. It's not only American who are living in America now, but people who are living in Western world, where laws and everything is being organized and function very, very well. You must know how you live your life there. Live legitimate life. Don't implicate yourself. Anything that will make them when control come. Because as it is in these days in Western world, you see that gradually, they're about to phase out what is called this asylum and immigration thing. So those who have been in or need, live law-abiding thing. Live very well with your people. Obey the law, what the law says. So if you are traveling, I advise, use visa to go. Even though you have American passport that they travel, American passport may come to your country free visa, but try to put visa on it to be able to be free from harassment from the ICE, because many people, they have thought that many people's green card at the airport hold them because of one offense they committed or the other. So it is very, very important that if you are not sure of your status very well concerning your green card in America, remain where you are and monitor the way you move out these days to avoid unnecessary control. So even they control you, tell them the status of your passport, of your document, as I have said before. to save embarrassment. This will go a long way. And make sure you contacted have a very good lawyer who you will have in case something happens. That's if you don't have genuine document and your hands are not clean. Have genuine lawyer. Explain to the lawyer, make the lawyer to know how your state or what your status is and how your stay is in America, so that the person will advise you on what to do and how you go about it until things normalize. Because they really wanted to sanitize America and to flush out many people who doesn't have something to do, or people who have been committing a kind of hermen in the country. So this is the update which I bring to you this hour. Thank you very much for watching, and please help us to share this video so that it will get to as many as people who needed it to be able to know how they move about doing their own business in America. God bless you.